Good morning. I am still in Portland, Oregon. I'm up here at a place called Rome Rest. They do mattresses, they do cushions of any kind for any kind of RV. They actually are into the medical field as well for the bedding and everything. But I've got some new cushions being made for my Echo right now, and I come down here to take a look at my cushions are not ready yet, but I wanted to at least take a look at their factory and kind of see where all this magic happens. But let me go inside with you and we'll take a quick tour of this. Guys, this is John. He's the owner of Rome Rest with Shauna. She's back there somewhere probably. And this is the shop dog. This is Rosie. Hello, pretty girl. Oh, pretty girl. Let's go inside.
Well, welcome everybody.
Yeah, we're going to do a quick shop tour. I've never been here before. This is my first day, and I'm picking up some new cushions. I just wanted to kind of give everybody a kind of a layout of what this place is all about.
Yep.
So what can you tell us?
Well, we've been around 30 years this year, and we've been doing the van mattresses and cushions for about 15 years now.
Yeah.
So we're kind of the best kept secret.
Mm-hmm. And you go to most of the van shows, because every time I'm there, you're there.
Yeah, we go to a lot of the shows. Here's Shauna right here.
What am I doing? Besides going 9 million different
Shauna.
directions.
You're on camera right now.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to be on camera.
Oh, it's for a good cause.
Oh, okay.
Well, you're working on something that's for a good cause right now.
I
right?
am. You know Sarah Keller, don't you?
Oh yeah, I
Yes,
love Sarah
with their
Keller.
Sackcloth and Ashes.
Yep.
We're a distributor for these things, and it's a great story. So we like to partner with companies that have
That
great stories.
sounds great.
Yeah.
That sounds great. Let's give us a quick tour if you don't mind.
Yeah. So when we come in here, company has been. Well, we have Brandon in the front, and Nikki's back here.
Hello.
Customer service side.
Yeah. Hello, ladies.
And we have another customer service and our designers in the front room over there.
Mm-hmm. All right.
The company started really in the medical industry is really our specialty for stretchers, beds, infant warmer pads, operating tables, MRIs, and different things like that.
Yeah.
And we moved into the trucking industry, different size mattresses in the back of these semi-trucks.
Mm-hmm.
There's 9 million of them on the road. We've moved into summer camps, and just to give you an idea, this display here is about 20 years old.
Oh.
So still tells the story.
The
of what
same
we
story
do.
that you do now, yeah.
Same core
Mhm.
foam and fabric and what we do in the RV and home. This is something that is, I think, it's near and dear to our hearts, just for the adventurous in all of us.
I understand.
Being able to have cushions that are comfortable, being able to sit on those.
This is kind of similar to what I'm going to be having in mind. I cannot wait to get those put in. Looks like you got a lot of variety of different kind of textures and colors, and
I think we can eliminate some of the noise and get some of the stuff out of here and give you a little bit better image. I mean, all this stuff here is supposed to be upstairs, so.
but I'm just looking at all these different things. I think you could do most anything people would want to put in their vehicle as far as texture, and if you like a lot of tuft, like I guess you do mostly like a vinyl leather kind of fabric and vans and stuff.
It's really across the board. We have various different things for different industries, indoor, outdoor.
I love this. This feels so good. I'm not sure what do you.
It's the type of fabric that we're looking at. So we typically will gravitate towards something that is soft and supple.
Yeah.
Usually we're looking for something that's going to be weather resistant,
Mm-hmm.
UV treated. Doesn't necessarily have to be living outdoors, but just something that's going to be durable enough to be able to use.
Yeah.
And
I sure like the feel of that a lot. What all's in here? Just mostly mattresses for
yeah, so
campers,
this is our foam room, and what we have in here is a variety of different layers of foam, different densities, and different firmness levels.
Okay.
So we were able to create the perfect match for somebody that is local to the Oregon area. They can come in here and we can use the technology that we know and kind of layering some things up. And we can also use the custom side where somebody has a specific need or being able to create something that's one side soft and on the other side is firm.
Okay.
So that's kind of what this room is all about. It's kind of explaining, what foam is all about and what foam can do for you, low profile or high profile.
Yeah.
Some stock mattresses that we've put together that are, whether it's an outdoor use or it could be a wet environment or it's going to be inside and it's never going to get wet at all.
Yeah.
So and we'll use different fabrics based on that.
Yeah, I didn't realize we was inside in the factory earlier about the different technology goes into foam. I didn't realize all that went into it really.
Yeah. So having the ability to pressure map, because we do make some medical products, it's really been our core business for almost 30 years.
Yeah.
The part that I think is most critical is and I call it mattress magic. Mattress magic is where you got a soft layer on the top, a medium layer, and then a medium firm, and then a firm on the bottom. So within 4 to 6 inches, if we have those multiple layers in there, we're going to create something that's pretty comfortable.
I see. Okay. Sounds great.
Got them at lunchtime right now.
Yeah. Everybody's at lunch.
And this is pretty much a full block right here. So when we
yeah.
start our days, first things we do out here is we sharpen the knives on these huge 35-foot long band saws. Is
Yeah.
pretty much what they are.
Uh-huh.
They're automated so they can be programmed to cut different thicknesses. We have vertical and horizontal saws that are here to be able to chop them into the certain widths that we want to make medical mattresses, to make van mattresses, to make semi-truck mattresses, and that's pretty much what we do here.
Okay.
And as you see, there's a ton of different foam, different colors, and the different colors represent different firmnesses.
Okay.
It actually works out good, everybody being on lunch, because it's a little bit quieter.
It is a little quiet. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
not bad in here right now.
So we've got about 35 employees that are throughout the company, and what we're doing in creating our magic. We've got a medical mattress right here that's going to get a cover on it. Has this cutout in it that can be used.
Yeah, I
for-
see that. Yeah.
We have our sewing team here. We have automated CNC fabric cutting machines. We have 2 of those. Pretty much everything, there's 2 of everything, just in case something happens.
Yep.
We can keep operations going. We have multiple sewing machines, multiple sewers. We have a lot of people on vacation because of the holidays.
Yeah.
Taking the extra days off, which is really nice. Moving into after they get sewn, the fabrics come over here. They get matched up to the foam. Here's a van mattress going through it here right now.
Okay.
You can tell with the little notch is going to be the tail end of the story. Just the bottom part. Here's
Yeah.
the top.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Lot softer on that
Yep.
side. Okay.
Yeah, and we've selected some nice upholstery grade water resistant fabrics. So open the doors. If it's raining, it's not going to soak into the mattress.
I got it.
That's part of really what we bring to the table. We got some flare inserts here that are going to be installed.
Now, what are these for?
They go into the flares.
Oh yeah, for the van.
So
Yeah.
The flare space flares. All the other companies that make flares now. Little bump outs, as they're called. As they get assembled in this area, then they get prepped. Right now, it looks like we're doing either camp or possibly a shelter.
Yeah.
They get matched up, and then we'll bring the mattresses through here, and then this big machine over here is our press. We'll actually press the mattress down and then roll it into a small box, and we end up.
That's how you ship it.
That's how we ship it.
Yeah.
Save
Okay.
a lot of money. shipped out to the customers. There's some more we're going to do over there, and then
Oh yeah,
UPS
you got to
come by every day.
Yeah, they come by once a day or.
Sometimes FedEx will be here twice a day. Sometimes they have to bring a bigger truck
Yeah,
depending on
yeah.
what our
How much you got?
demands, what our
Yeah.
shipments are.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's kind of our
Very
story.
nice. This is a humongous building. It's a lot. I didn't know what to expect when I got here. It's well laid out. You got a break room over there. Plenty of room. It's nice and cool in here right now. Very nice.
We appreciate you coming in, Brian. and
Yeah,
coming-
yeah, thank you
checking
so
out what
much.
we do and able to work on some cushions for you.
Yep.
Be able to have that.
Yep. Can't wait.
Be able to enjoy sitting and playing cards in,
Yeah.
in your wrist.
Yep. All right. Well, thanks a lot, sir.
You bet.